Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and updated process of getting your backup code on the Pinterest app when using a PC. This backup code is essential for securing your account in case you lose access to your primary login method, such as two-factor authentication codes. To start, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Click on it. This icon takes you to the settings menu where you can manage your account details and security options. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings and then navigate to the Security section. This area contains all security-related features for your Pinterest account, including the option to get your backup code. Within the security settings, find and click on Get Backup Code. Pinterest will now generate a unique backup code for you. This code is a one-time use code that you should keep safe. It's very important to store it securely, either write it down or save it in a password manager so you can access it if needed. Once you've safely saved your backup code, simply confirm by clicking Done. Now you have a backup way to access your Pinterest account, even if you're unable to receive the usual verification codes, protecting you from being locked out. That's all there is to it. By following these steps and keeping your backup code secure, you can make sure your Pinterest account stays safe and accessible at all times. Thanks for watching.